Hello, my friends and fellow entrepreneurs. This is Mark Gray from TWIM with a CopyCatalyst CPS review. Okay, I'm going to jump right into this because there's quite a lot to go through, and I want to make this as straight to the point as possible. If you're on YouTube, click the link below. You will go to my website. It's not scary. No. You don't have to do anything. You can just read over what the product is about. I've explained it very, very well here. If anything, I have oversimplified this product, all right? But I wanted, I wanted everybody to understand it. So the first OT, there is four OTOs. I know everybody's always like, oh, OTOs, do I need them? How many do they have? Well, this is not one of those products where there's like 10 OTOs and 10 downsells, which I just actually saw on another platform. Ridiculous. There are four. Um, Four very good OTOs, okay? But you don't need them. And if again, click the link below, go down to my website. I've put bonuses. Now it's not 100 bonuses. It's one, two, three, five, four, three, five bonuses. And if you click here, you will go to the sales page. All right. So I haven't actually looked over the sales page that much. I just took a screenshot for my written review. Um, I'm not even sure what this says at the top. So I'm not going to go through this, but what I am going to say is you're going to find a lot of this, like actual proof that this method works. Now, actually, I remember this. Oh, I remember this being posted on Facebook. Yeah. Anyway, sorry, I got distracted in my own thoughts there. So I've been watching Mark, right? And I'm going to say this very quickly about Mark Bishop. I hope he doesn't mind. He's a good friend. So Mark was launching forever. When I came into this industry, this part of the industry 10 years ago, he was, already a big figure in the launch space. He stopped 3 years ago, something 4 years ago. He just said he'd had enough, that the industry had went to SHIT, and that the softwares that he was releasing with his partner, that he just couldn't look at himself in the mirror because he knew they were rubbish. And I totally agree with him. So my respect for Mark has went up like this. Super. I have so much respect for the guy. And this I've been watching for the last 4 or 5 months on Facebook because I'm friends with Mark on Facebook. I've been watching him do live this system and then post his results. Now, he's not been using his big ass list, which I'm sure he has. He's not been using, his TikTok account with loads of people. He's not been using his Instagram with, the one that he's had for years, or his YouTube channel with, however many subscribers. He's made a point of doing, so the case studies are here, guys, all right? He's made a point. Actually, they're not all here. There's one that he did that was $154. Maybe he shows it in this video. Anyway, no, he doesn't show it. This one is like 769. But he's made a point, okay, of creating a new TikTok account, putting up videos, all right, just putting up little videos, and getting people to comment, and then he's sending them the Copy Catalyst link that you make, which is, inside of the training. You learn how to do it. It's very, very easy. And he's also made a point of doing it on Facebook and doing it so that everybody can see that he's not using his list, he's not using any other traffic sources, he's just using free traffic methods, which I really like because it would be so easy to make a case study where, you actually use your email list and then, it'd be more like 2000 something. So I really respect that from Mark. I respect Mark, and yeah, and I've seen this product. It's been in my head for months and months and months and months. Okay, so the main system is here. Basically, CPS is an abbreviation of copy, paste, share. Because with this system, copy, pasting, sharing is all anyone needs to do. I've went through the whole front end training. Okay, I watched it all because I was actually very interested in it, and I thought to myself, I'll need to give this a try. I love this part, which means no lists required, no landing pages or any other kinds of websites, no experience required, no skill, no traffic to look for or source, and no cost to implement. All right. Now I mean, you do hear this a lot on sales pages, but then it turns out actually, oh, you do need to buy traffic. You do need to do this. You do need, you do need to have this. I love that it's just like you can buy this, start it on a brand new TikTok account, a brand new Instagram account, even a brand new YouTube channel on Facebook, and you can get results right away. Now, those results might not be, $10,000 with one, but one only takes you, you know, I put one together and it took me maybe, I'd say 6 minutes, something like that, and it was ready to go. So, yeah, so it's just backed up by real proof and, real case studies. And this is not something that's going to be like released and launched and then forgotten about. Because Mark's last product, which he launched last year, he launched one product last year called Blocks 2, actually. And he's been using the block system the whole time that he promotes other people's products. So he's using what he is giving you. Anyway, I don't want to go on and on about that. I just think it's really great that people are actually being honest in their products. Um, I I take a lot of pride in the training I create, whether it's free training or whether it's to be sold. Putting the details in so that people know what to do and they're not lost and they're like, "Oh, but I don't have a list. How can I do this?" So I really do. I appreciate that a lot. Now, did I show you this? Okay, so this is a main training. Sorry. Welcome. Add in your accounts, follow and scale, pick a product, copy paste, micro video and share. Yes, there are some. Yes, there is a big part of this that is little videos, which I've been working on. I like this video here. This is like about being camera shy. So if you don't want to show your face or voice on TikTok, but you still want to, make money from the traffic from TikTok, Mark shows you how to do this here. And I'll be honest, I'm not good on TikTok. I always feel stupid speaking on TikTok unless I'm like, unless I don't know, unless I'm showing something on my computer or I'm not great on TikTok, honestly. Anyway, yeah, that's the full training. So it's super detailed. Um, Again, the case studies you can check out and maybe get some ideas from them. Now these are going on to the OTOs, which I don't want to jump into because it will take a long time. But let's just do it very quickly. So the first OTO is the CPS doc engine. So this system is all about creating a quick document, okay, that is turned into PDF and basically giving it to people. All right, so easy peasy. Though it sounds easy, but you need to know the system and how it works to actually get results. So yeah, now the CPS doc engine, basically you would just click this and you can create a new document that you can follow the training and use. Which, okay, that's one of the OTOs, pretty cool. Um, Micro video creation. I don't have a. Oh, maybe I do. I don't know if I have access to this, but I don't know. It looks good to me. CPS ready-made system. Okay, so that's the third upsell, I believe. CPS ready-made system. Okay, we've already built a CPS system to promote block CPS. We guarantee to approve your link, even if you're a complete beginner with no sales. Okay, that's really good, and it's ready for you to use in minutes. You can start using blocks CPS ready-made system now. Okay, great. Now this is something that I did start to go through because I have access to, and it's a full training course. This is an upsell, guys. I believe. I think I could be talking rubbish, but I believe it's an upsell, and I really like what I saw in this. So I haven't had time to go through all of this, but this is really good detailed training about growing this business into something way more. I mean, from just getting the front end of this product, you can be easily making, you know, two a day, three a day, four a day, five a day, depends how much time you have, and making, you know, easy. I would say you could make easily, you know, from the beginning, it'd probably take you about 24 hours before you started to make, you know, your first $100, $50, and then from there it's just a case of scaling and making more. So that's how easy it can be. All right. I'm not going to go on and on because I normally never even talk about the OTOs, but because I listed them here and because I was pretty interested in them myself, I wanted to know what they were. I put them here so you guys can have a look and see what they are. The IMLA one looks pretty interesting to me. Like, you know, it's A to Z training model used in Mark's 5K coaching platform, consisting of over 60 training videos, PDF links, case studies, examples, and checklists. Okay, so that interests me a lot, I have to say. Anyway, if you scroll down to the bottom, you can check out the bonuses. They're pretty good bonuses. In fact, they're very good bonuses, better than probably anybody else has given away. Click here, go to the sales page, check it out for yourself. And I guess all I can say is trust me on this. This is a great product. It's not one of those churn and burn products. It will be here. It will still be here in a year, 2 years maybe. It works. It's going to keep working. It simplifies affiliate marketing. You know, not having to do reviews like this. Yeah, and if another thing, if you already have a bit of an audience, let's say you have a Facebook group already that has 500 members, 1,000 members, you can use you can use this method. If you already have like a list or a little list, doesn't matter, big list, whatever, you can use this method. If you have any type of traffic already, you can use this method, and this method will multiply your sales. Also, as well, it cuts down on the amount of work. I've been thinking of using this myself because you don't have to do so much. It takes, you know, a few minutes to put together this document, and then it's just a case of sharing it with people in a certain way. Okay, great system, I think, and I hope you guys, you know, I hope you guys decide to have a look at it. Again, if you're on YouTube, click the link below to go to my website. It's right there. Thank you for watching this. It's nice to be back doing, you know, a review because it's been a while. Actually, it was last year since I did a review, so it's nice to be back doing a review of a good product that I know, you know, and can trust. So, thanks, guys. I will see you in the next one. Grab this. It's damn good. Take care.